In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and design a Wix menu with dropdowns. We'll start right inside the Wix editor. On the left, click the plus icon to open Add Elements, then head to Menu and Anchor. You'll see a few styles. Choose horizontal if you want a classic header menu across the top, vertical for a sidebar layout, or hamburger for a clean, minimalist look that's great on mobile. Click the style you prefer, then drag it onto your page. If it's a header menu, drop it into the header section and use the alignment guides to center it so it looks crisp and intentional. If you need more control, you can switch this to an advanced menu. With the menu selected, click the gear icon for settings and choose Set as Advanced. This disconnects it from your automatic page list so you can build custom navigation. It's perfect when your footer links need to be different from your header or when you want sections that don't map one-to-one with your site pages. Next, let's manage the items. Click the menu and choose Manage Menu. To add items, click Add Menu Item and link it to a page, an external URL, or even a page anchor for smooth scrolling to a section like pricing, contact, or about. Reordering is as simple as dragging items up or down. To rename an item, click the three dots next to it, choose Rename, and change the label. This updates the button text without altering the page's SEO name, which helps maintain your URLs and search visibility. Keep labels short and clear so visitors can scan quickly. For dropdowns, in Manage Menu, click Add Menu Item and select a dropdown. Drag it into the list and give it a descriptive name such as Services or Resources. To create sub-items, drag an existing page or link slightly to the right under the dropdown until you see the blue line. That indentation makes it a sub-menu. Repeat this to nest deeper levels when needed, though try to keep hierarchy simple for usability. Now, let's design it. With the menu selected, click the paintbrush icon. Choose a preset or go to Customize Design. Set colors for regular, hover, and clicked states so users always know where they are. Pick font, family, size, and weight that match your brand. Then open layouts or spacing to fine-tune the gaps between items. Turn on proportional filling so spacing stays balanced as your menu grows or shrinks. Finally, click Preview and test every link and drop-down. Hover over items, open submenus, and confirm everything behaves as expected. When you're happy, click Publish to make it live. That's how you add, edit, and design a Wix menu. By using advanced navigation dropdowns and thoughtful styling for different states, you can create a clean, professional menu that guides visitors smoothly through your site and boosts both user experience and SEO. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.